Hello everyone, my name is Amitesh and I'm representing Team 366 Pi. There was an event last week, CoVID-Athon 2020, and we were one of the teams who represented our problem statement and solution to the problem presented. The problem presented were actually threefold. The problem one was inefficient home quarantine tracking system. Problem two was disintegrated home quarantine management system. And problem three was absence of community tracking systems and tool. So as a part of this solution, we have built a solution which is a mix of web and mobile based utility. On a mobile app, we have built a quarantine management app for proactive home based tracking, which is a solution to problem one. We have built a web app, which is an effort management app integrating integration system. The solution is at a district level where CSCs, PSCs, and medical officers can be integrated. And this is exclusively for administrators, and it is intensive with dashboards and report. And the third part of solution is a citizen management app for raising healthy communities. And solution one and three are integrated, which we'll see quickly, and then we'll go to the solution two. Now, let's go for a quick demo. So as soon as you install an app and put it onto your mobile, you start and you register yourself. It's a blockchain-based registration process. You actually generate your blockchain keys and you map it up with your Aadhaar. So all that information is integrated so that everyone who's utilizing and participating in this process is part and parcel of the system. Once you register yourself, your profile gets created. You can manage all your symptoms, details. You can capture that information. You can get selfie. You can send an update from time to time. So all of that is integrated and made as a part of a system. You can manage your profile. You can restore and recover your backup phrases. You can keep sending your updates. So system is very intuitive where you can keep sending your status whether or not you're seeing certain aspect of symptoms with you. So the system was comprehensive in itself. The second part of system was where we had citizen management app. So citizen management app follows a very different sort of model. And in a citizen management app, we have a very map driven service model. So idea is that as and when you log into a system based on your location, nearby information and the quarantine center and everything else is available. The app also allows you to identify if there are any isolation or quarantine centers nearby. You can add a set of services. For example, if you're trying to get certain thing delivered, you can do that. You can also set up an appointment as a part of this app itself. Volunteerism plays a very important and one of the very big part in this whole application, and all of those applications and scenarios have been put into an app itself. Of course, all the folks and all the people whom you want to contact and reach out to, it's also a sort of a contact management center, all kept at one place. So this app is done, and APK is available on the website. And this APK is where I'll move to the next part of a demo, which was a very much a web-driven demo. So I'm just going to make a change of screen, and let me just share my screen in a moment, please. I'm sorry, I'm just going to share my screen. Okay. So this is a web-based app, and in a web-based app, what you have is you have a global dashboard. This was actually hosted in one of our internal servers as of now, but this is a Power BI based report. It's a very intuitive report. Please don't go by the data right now because it's an old data as of now. It's just a dummy data that has been put for the purpose of hackathon. Most of this data is not very real. It has been just shown here for the purpose of demonstration. One can download an APK and everything else from here. So as a part of a global dashboard, you can see the top 10 countries and data and details all available here. Now, this application also has another part, which is where you can, as an admin or as a medical officer, you can log in. When you log in as a medical officer, you get to see different information which you have captured from app. So, for example, you have a hospitalized record or a quarantine record or a recovered record. So all of this information which is captured from the backend or from the web-based system is all available here. So all of this is a very, again, interactive report, and all has been done based on Power BI and everything that has been used. So the complete data layer, you can look at details that are photos are missing and premises or alarms, everything. So these are all part and parcel of applications and report that administrators need from time to time. The other part of application is where a medical officer would want to sign in. So as a medical officer, when you sign in, you ideally want to look at a checklist. You can publish and keep sending and adding these items on the checklist. You can push it to the set of people or citizens that you want to. Or again, you can also configure this checklist and send it to citizen for further details. And this data that you have is on the notification standpoint. So this is where all the notifications and all the information get available here. So this was just a comprehensive approach that we did in whatever time that was allotted to us, and this has to go much more and beyond. Currently, we are working on releasing a citizen management app for the volunteers, so that all the people who are seeking help specifically on food is work in progress. As soon as we are done with it, we are going to make an announcement and we'll release it on a Play Store for everyone's use. So thank you for your time. Thank you for listening to this video. If you have some thoughts and comments, do let us know. We are more than happy to help and work with people and like-minded people. Thank you very much.